Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set a power limit on an inverter. In this scenario, I have 4 units of SG125CX-P2 inverters, and I will demonstrate how to set the power limit on just one inverter as an example. Step 1. Go to Settings. Then select the first inverter as your example unit. Step 2. Click on Advanced Settings, then go to Power Control. Under Power Control, first, find Retain Active Power Settings after Power Off and enable it. This function ensures that the power limit setting will not reset to default after a restart or on the next day. Next, enable Active Power Limitation. Then, set the active power limit ratio according to your desired value. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Sungrow tips and solar troubleshooting videos. I'll see you in the next video.